Welcome to Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be discussing something different. But let's dive right into it. Sound. Sound is a crucial part of the world. Take this coffee mug for instance. No coffee here, just empty dreams. But sound can make those empty dreams a reality. Let me show you. Now I'm fighting a monster with a sword. Take that, yes. Oh no, he has cut my mug filled with the sweet nectar of coffee beans to shreds. Actually, none of that happened. I've been sitting here the whole time. So now, some of you may be questioning me. It's easy to put sound over nothing, but what about putting sound over a spectacle that can be both seen and heard? Well, here we have a scene with a handsome fellow walking and then bouncing on a pad a few times. At the end, he becomes parched from his extensive workout and takes a sip. After that, he does what any normal person would do and flies away. So nothing out of the ordinary with that scene. So now we're going to, oh, thanks for the orange. Let's see. We'll show you some freshly squeezed sound effects. Spectacular. So most of the sounds today were from freesounds.org. And no, I was not bribed to create this charade of sound effects. It was merely to inform. So that's been Tech Tuesday, and I'm Adrian, and we'll holler at you later. Thanks for watching.